Recent advancements in anti-aging vaccines offer promising potential to prevent diseases such as Alzheimer's. From an anthropological perspective, these developments reflect a profound intersection of biology, technology, and societal implications, emphasizing the evolving relationship between humans and medical innovations. Vaccines, targeting senescent cells, often called zombie cells, aim to eliminate these harmful cells that contribute to aging and age-related diseases. Studies, such as one published in Nature in 2021, show that removing these cells can improve health and extend lifespan in animal models. The cultural impact of this scientific breakthrough could be significant, altering how societies perceive aging and the elderly, and potentially reshaping norms around elder care and longevity. Another promising approach involves rejuvenating mitochondria, the cell's powerhouses. Recent studies, including a 2023 report in New Scientist, suggest that therapies aimed at restoring mitochondrial function can significantly improve cognitive abilities and slow down diseases like Alzheimer's. This biotechnological intervention highlights the increasing human capacity to modify our biological processes, raising questions about the natural life course and the ethical boundaries of extending human life. Young blood plasma transfusions are another controversial yet intriguing development. Clinical trials by Ambrosia have shown that transfusions from young donors to older recipients improved biomarkers related to cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Results presented at the RECODE conference in 2023 indicated reductions in amyloid proteins associated with Alzheimer's among participants. This practice evokes historical and cross-cultural themes of vitality and rejuvenation, echoing ancient beliefs in the life-giving properties of young blood. These advancements represent a significant shift in treating age-related diseases by targeting the root causes of aging. Anthropologically, this reflects broader societal trends towards biomedical enhancements in the quest for longevity. The cultural narratives surrounding aging and mortality are being redefined, influenced by these scientific discoveries. As these technologies become more prevalent, they could alter social structures, economic systems, and ethical frameworks, particularly in how societies value and support their aging populations. The development of anti-aging vaccines is not just a medical milestone, but a cultural phenomenon that may redefine human experiences of aging. Continued advancements could lead to new ways of ensuring healthier, longer lives, challenging traditional anthropological understandings of the human life cycle.